Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mission to Millions. Let's grow together. If you're new here, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos and press the bell icon to watch our videos first. So I'll be uploading a video on every weekend, every Sunday I'll be uploading a video, and you can follow us on Facebook at Mission to Millions. So in today's video I'm going to tell you whenever we are starting a new business, we must have these three things. I'll be telling you what are these three things. The first one is a clear focus. So whenever we think of starting a new business, we should have a clear focus. It is like we should know the destination, where we want to go and where we want to reach. If you're starting a journey, we should know the destination. And if you don't know, if you don't have proper plan, and if you don't know where we are going to reach, then it is like you just started journey and you don't know where you want to go. Just like that, we should have a clear focus on what we are going to achieve, what is our purpose, and where we are going to achieve. That is clear focus. That was first one. Second one is divergence. Divergence means whatever the things, when you start a business, whatever the things all your competitors are doing, don't do that. Do it something which nobody has even tried and nobody is doing. And it is not like you have to do something big and something like really big, like small things only. I'll give you one example. Do something which no one is doing here. If you're starting a shop, that if you want to start a shop, do it where nobody has done it before. I mean, in a place where nobody has done it. Like that, there are so many things, that small things, that is divergence. Do something which no one has done it and nobody is giving, and services which nobody are giving. Like in the last video also I have told you about this one, like divergence. That was second one. Third one is a tagline, an attractive tagline. Tagline is whenever every business, if you want to make a branding and if you want to represent and if you want to stand out in a crowd, then you must have a tagline. Tagline is like it shows what is your purpose, what is your about business is about, what your company is all about. I'll give you a few taglines. Like Swiggy, if you take, it is hunger savior, and you see, it is simple, and it is it should be simple. The tagline should be simple and it should be understandable for other people also. So these three things we must have a business. Like if you want to stand out in the crowd, means you must have these three things in your business. So I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself.